Hey guys, if you guys come from my last video, welcome back. And for those who are not, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to save some money. Because you know, time is money, right? And today I'm gonna talk about how to copy and pasting your effects in DaVinci Resolve. And today we're just gonna talk about effects. We're not gonna talk about other stuff because there are a lot of stuff that you can copy and paste in DaVinci Resolve, and to what extent of how you copy and paste the things that you want. So let's get to it. So here is my last video. I kind of went back and removed the effect a little bit. And in this video, I was talking about that one trick that changed my life. And this one is another trick that changed my life. Like, I've been doing it ever since, but I just never got into telling anyone because I assume everybody knows it. But sometimes I also have to assume that maybe very little people knows about it. So here's the trick. So right here, you can see this is my talking head. This is my talking head track. And right below that is my screen recording. So I need to kind of put my talking head into a window right at the bottom here. So I done this effect a million times. I don't need to redo it. And here's how I do it. What I do is I'm going to hit Shift 1 or go to File, Project Manager, or Shift 1. And then just go to my, my previous project. Let's go to my previous project right here. And in this project, you can see that this is my last video. And I have the effect right here. It's already done. What I can do is I'm just gonna select the clip and hit copy, Control C, or you can just right click and copy, Control C, and then go back to File, Project Manager, or Shift 1, and then go back to this video right here. And what I can do is I'm gonna select this footage and gonna hold down Alt and gonna Alt V to paste the effect right here. So right here you can see Resolve popped up the window and tells me what do I want to paste. And also you can also right click the footage right here, right click the footage and paste attribute. And you see Alt V, paste attribute, and you can select anything that you want. If the only thing that you want to copy is the effect, just tick plugins and hit apply. And there you go. Easy, plain and simple. But if you also want the color correction, you can also right click, paste attributes, and also take the color correction and hit apply. Note this, not every shot was color corrected according to your filming session. So you might need to go back in and retweak the color. This is just foreign footage. And also what you can do, you can zoom right back out to the timeline. You can hold down Alt and select all of them and then hit Alt V and then just apply all of them, and the effects will be applied on all of them. All of the effects right in the Resolve. So what else can I copy and paste? Here's one more. So if you made a very cool title in your previous video and you want to reuse the effect, you don't want to recreate it every time you want to use this effect, what you can do is just go to the project that has the title and then just copy it, and then Shift 1, then go to the project that you want to paste in, select the track that you want to paste in, and just Control V. There you go. Now you have copy and pasted your old effects into your new project. So you don't need to redo it, spend hours, redo every effect. You can just copy and paste everything. These are just the few things that you can copy and paste in DaVinci Resolve. You can also copy Fusion notes into other Fusion compositions. You can also copy your old video from your older projects into newer projects. You can also copy color grades. You can also copy the whole timeline into your new projects. So Resolve have this copy and pasting features that allows us editors to save tons of time on editing, and that allows us to focus on storytelling. So these are a few tricks that I use to speed up my editing workflow. It may seem kind of small, but these small habits, like if you go into a habit of copying and pasting effects from your older video to your newer video, this is going to save you a lot of time, and you do not need to recreate those effects if you already created them, unless you want to create yourself a new effects. And also you can create a project that is dedicated to all the effects that you have ever done. So yeah guys, copy and pasting effect and also fusion composition. It's gonna save you a lot of time. If this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and also consider subscribing for more content like this. Happy editing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.